It was just yesterday that I was saying something about this very topic. I was discussing with someone how, if you really want to be rich, you need to break away from certain mentality. And I was telling the person that one of the mentality you need to break away from very fast is the idea that you can become wealthy by saving your money. I was telling the person that if you think you can become wealthy by saving your money, what you should understand is that every second inflation is devaluing your money. Because really, what is money? You have, let us say, 100,000 naira in the bank. That 100,000 naira is not the value of your money. The value of your money is what it can get you. What can 100,000 naira do for you? That is what value does that 100,000 naira have to you as a person. So let us assume that the worth of 100,000 naira as at last year, let's say last year, this time last year, September, compared to now, is it the same thing? Inflation is affecting your money every minute. They will increase the price of fuel. As soon as they increase the price of fuel, every other thing will go up. The people that are using the fuels in their industry will increase their price. As little as hair salon where you go to cut your hair, where you used to cut your hair 200 naira before, they will now tell you now it's 500 naira. Transportation from one place to another will increase. Drivers will tell you that fuel is expensive. As transportation increases, people that are selling food will increase their own price too. They will tell you that transportation has increased, they are trying to beat the cost. As food is increasing, everybody that is also buying that food to survive, that they are using their business, their small scale business to do business to make money, will increase as well, so that they can afford to buy food since food has gone up. The person that was selling shoe 1,500 before will start selling 2,000. Everything will add price. One thing increases, everything will respond to balance out. But what will not increase is your salary. Your salary will remain where it was, and you will not come and tell me, in fact, the money you save in the bank will remain where it was. The value has gone down. The money is still 100,000, yes, but you can no longer get everything your 100,000 naira could have gotten for you before. Where you'd have maybe been able to use 100,000 naira to fill a Ghana must go with a different kind of materials, different kind of before. But now, when you buy things with 100,000 naira, it probably will get to half of that. You get the idea. You will not be able to use that same money to buy the things you used to buy, because the value has gone down. So you should understand that money is not paper, money is value. And people who understand this thing, what do they normally do? You see them buying assets that can retain the value of their money. The important thing for them is that they don't want the value to depreciate as things are going down. So they will use the money and invest it in things that have value, things that appreciate in value. Like, some people will go and buy gold. They'll say, okay, yes, gold is a store of value, such that if they use that 100,000 naira to buy gold of 100,000 naira, as at when the value of, let's say, 100,000 naira in that gold is equivalent, okay, they now buy gold worth 100,000 naira. By the time the inflation has devalued that 100,000 naira, they will resell the gold, and maybe they will be reselling it at the new price of maybe 150 or 170,000 naira. That's to tell you that the value of their 100,000 naira has dropped, but the new value of what they used to have as 100,000 naira is now 170,000 naira. Get that picture. Try and get that picture into your mind. Try and understand that the value of your money is going down the longer you leave it in the bank. That is why we say invest. We're not telling you to invest to come and just dash us your money. We're saying invest to preserve the value of your money. There are things you will buy that will save the value of your money, things like gold. But then there are other things you will buy that will increase the value of your money. That is to say, they will not just keep the value where the value is, they will even take the value higher. Things like real estate. If you buy real estate of 2 million naira land, after some time the value of that land will go up. If development occur in that community, in that area, and if they probably bring a school or a road or make that area an urban area, your land has appreciated in value. You will sell it for way more than the value at which you bought it. So there are even things that you will buy that will take the value of your money up. Now, people who have studied money came up with cryptocurrency, a way of increasing the value of money. You hear of Bitcoin, you hear of Ethereum, and when they came out, people were saying it's a scam. To the extent Wikipedia published an article saying Bitcoin is a scam. The same Wikipedia today is accepting donations in Bitcoin. Who is deceiving who? People who bought Bitcoin in the year 2010 are stinkingly rich now because the value of Bitcoin went up and the value of the money that they use in buying it went up accordingly. Many of you are already aware of all these things. But you have lost out of the opportunity to buy Bitcoin because Bitcoin is now more than you can afford. You cannot buy it anymore. You cannot buy reasonable amount of Bitcoin for the little amount of money it would have cost you in 2010. The opportunity has gone. This is another opportunity now to buy the asset of Skyway, the intellectual property of Skyway that will preserve the value of your money, not only preserve it, increase the value of your money more than 1,000 times. You are buying something now for less than $1, like 0.002 cents. And then, when this company goes to IPO, it will become $1 or more if you want to sell it back. But this company's profitability is estimated to reach 150 trillion. I didn't say billion, I didn't say million, trillion dollar. And you will be earning dividends in that profit. And this is not profit per lifetime profit. This is profit per annum, reaching up to 150 trillion in a company that runs a transport technology that they have already patented, which no other person can use without buying their intellectual property, without buying their franchise. What this means is that for those of you who are enlightened, try and understand what I'm communicating to you. This is the best investment anybody can make. The little money you are using to buy Skyway shares now is nothing compared to the value it will be giving you in the future. Leave the money in the bank, the value will go down. Why not use it to buy something that will appreciate value for you? That's just the simple message. Buy value.